Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Language Tutor French series. I'm Danny Evans, your professeur de français. So glad to be hanging out with you on this episode. Well, today we're going to take what we learned many lessons back when we talked about numbers in French, and we're going to use them in a new context by learning to tell time in French. So this will be a relatively short lesson, but hopefully very beneficial to you. All right? Well, let's jump right in. Let's go to our board. First of all, I want to teach you this phrase, what time is it? Asking somebody, hey, what time is it? Hey, got to know how to say that if we're going to talk about time, right? This is what you're going to say. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? That's what hour is it, is literally what you're saying. Well, to answer that question, we're going to say it is like this. Il est. Il est. All right? So now that we know how to ask and to respond with it is, let's talk about the specific times. Now, let's start with this one. It is 1 o'clock. Now, just to show you how this works, we'll do a few examples, but basically you say il est, and then you say the number, and you say heure, hour. So 1 o'clock would be this. Il est une heure. Okay, we're using une for it is 1 hour, and that word is feminine, so we're going to use that form of it. So il est une heure. Il est une heure. All right, now let's just look at a couple of more examples. Now that you have the pattern down, it's 7 o'clock. Try to think of that already. Just be thinking about it in your head right now before I put it up there. Okay, so it is 7 hours is what you're going to say. It looks like this. Il est 7 heures. Il est 7 heures. Okay, so now we're making heure plural. All we got to do. All right, let's try one more. Think about it. It is 11 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. Think about that one. Il est 11 heures. Il est 11 heures. Okay, you can follow that pattern for all of the hours throughout the entire day and night. But what about 12 o'clock? You know, a lot of times in English we say it's midnight or it's noon, all right? So we want to learn how to say those. So if it's noon, we're going to say this. Il est midi. Il est midi. It's midnight. Il est minuit. Il est minuit. Okay, so we're going to use those phrases. Also, if it's 12 o'clock, that's what we're going to say it's noon or it's midnight. Okay, well now we know how to say it is. We know how to say the specific hours, but what about those in-between times like 4:10 and 6:25 and all of those things? Well, let's jump into that. So here we go. Let's start with it's 3:20. It's 3:20. All we need to do is say the same thing. It is 3 hours, 20. So it would look like this. Il est 3h20. Il est 3h20. It's that simple. It's pretty easy, isn't it? All right, now let's do this one. It's 8:15 because you know how this goes, even in English. Sometimes we say it's 8:15. Sometimes we say it's a quarter after. You know, we have all kinds of ways to say things in English, don't we? Okay, in French you can say this. Il est 8h15. Il est 8h15. It stands for that quarter, right? It's a quarter after. Now, what about half past the hour? Let's look at this one. It's 10:30. It's 10:30 would be il est 10h et, you're going to use this word, demi. Il est 10h30. That's implying half. So, it's more common to say that than it would be to say 30. So, il est 10h30. Okay, now, once we move past the half hour, things are a little different. So let's put up it's 4:40, okay? It's 4:40. And we can do this two different ways. I'm going to show you two different ways. The first one is by saying, literally, it is 4 hours 40. So it would look like this. Il est 4h40. Il est 4h40. That's one way to say it. It's 4:40, literally. Okay, so that's following the pattern we did a while ago. Now, the other way we can do this is to say, basically what we do in English, it's 20 till 5. Sort of. Flip it around and say it is 5 minus 20. So it would look like this. Il est 5h moins 20. Il est 5 heures moins 20. That moins means minus. Okay, so those are, you can do it either way. Two ways to do that. All right, now I want to tell you one more thing, and that's how to say this. In the morning, and also after this we'll get to in the afternoon and at night. But you know how we say, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, or I'll see you at 4 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. So we need to know how to tag those on. All right, so let's look at this one. It's in the morning, something's in the morning is going to be du matin. Du matin, of the morning. So when we have that time, we use de, and when it combines with le, it becomes du. Okay, so in the morning would be du matin. In the afternoon would be de l'après-midi. De l'après-midi. And at night would be du soir. Du soir. We're saying of the evening. So I'm just going to give you one example of this. Let's say it is 9 a.m. Basically, we're saying it's 9 in the morning. Okay? It would look like this. Il est 9 heures du matin. Il est 9 heures du matin. And mes amis, that's how we tell time in French. Start looking around right now, 3 different times a day and say, what time is it? And then look at what time it is and start saying it in French. Do that 5-10 times a day, whatever you want to do, but get that practice in and start stating times using those numbers. It helps solidify your numbers too, doesn't it? All right, mes amis. Well, thanks for hanging out with me on this episode. Check out the Language Tutor French podcast so you and I can practice on the go. And go over to Language Tutor French Facebook page and let's join up and start having some conversation and dialogue. Talk about French, all right, with a community there. Well, mes amis, I wish for you and all of your family and friends paix et bénédiction, peace and blessings, and I'll see you next time on the next episode. À bientôt. Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.